Good morning, students. Today we will study two more word problem on linear equations. These are different problems. So let's get started. First word problem asks the difference between two numbers is 48 and ratio of those two numbers is 7/3. So we have to find out two numbers. Okay, so in the question it is asked that there are two numbers A and B whose ratio is 7/3. So ratio, something which is of same time, can be written in the form of ratio. Like A by B are two numbers, so these can be written in the form of ratio, and this ratio would be a part of 48. 48 is the difference between two numbers. This ratio would be a part of these two numbers, means this particular ratio is a part of these two numbers. Okay, something which is of same time can be written in ratio. Okay, these two are numbers. A is also a number, B is also a number. This can be written as ratio, and this ratio is a part of these two numbers. Okay, see, ratio, I want to put one thing in mind. Two quantities which is of same time can be written in form of ratio. Two different quantities cannot be written in form of ratio. Suppose rupees 10 and number 5. I can say 7. Okay, so this is in rupees and this is just a number 7. So we will not able to write this in ratio because these are two different quantities. No, only rupees 12, rupees 10, these can be written as ratio because these are of same quantity. Okay, similarly A and B are two numbers which can be written in the ratio of 7/3, which can be written in this ratio, that is 7/3, and we have to find the value of A and B, and condition given is that difference between two number is 48. So let's get start the process. How we will find it? We will consider that this ratio can be written as 7x and 3x. Okay, means 7x will be one number. Ratio can be written in the form of number with the help of this term, that is 7x and 3x. Okay, 7/3 रेशियो है. अगर इसको हम प्रॉपर नंबर में हम लिखना, आई मीन इफ वी राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नंबर, वी विल राइट एज 7x एंड 3x. ओके, बिकॉज 7x और 3x को अगर जब हम रेशियो में लिखेंगे, so what will happen, 7x and x will cancel out each other, we will remain with 7/3 like this. Okay, 7x और 3x को अगर हम रेशियो में लिखेंगे तो 7x और 3x will cancel out with 7x and 3x when once written in form of ratio, तो x और x एक दूसरे से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे और we will left with 7/3. So this indicates कि 7/3 को हम 7x/3x के फॉर्म में हम we can write it as 7x/3x. Okay, we will consider let one number be 7x and other number is 3x. Common ratio is given by as 7 is 3. Okay, now what is given in the question, that difference between two numbers is 48. Okay, two numbers is 48, means 7x minus 3x is equals to 48. 7x minus 3x is equals to 48. Okay, 7x minus 3 is equals to 48. So this is very simple. What we will do, we will further solve it. 7x and 3x are both like terms, so we will solve it. How? 7x minus 3x will be 4x. 4x is equals to 48. 4x is equals to 48. 4x is equals to 48. Okay, 4x is equals to 48. So divide by 4 both sides. This 4 will cancel, remains with 48/4. 48/4 will solve it, so we will get 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so we will get 12. Okay, so one number is 12. X की वैल्यू है 12, we will find a number. 7x is one number and 3x is other number. 7 into 12 is 84 and 3x into 3 into 12 is 36. Now to check, if we subtract 36 from 84, we will get 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 8 minus 3 is 5. So 7 minus 3 is 4. We will left with 7 now. So this is 4. So we will get 48 here. What is given in the question, the difference between two numbers is 48. Okay. Now move to next question. The length of a rectangle is 10 meter more than its breadth, and if the perimeter of rectangle is 80 meter, find the dimensions of the rectangle. See, this is a question of what I can say, quadrilateral and linear equation mixed question. Okay, so we have given one rectangle and there is a condition that length of rectangle is more than its breadth. Okay, so we will condition with the condition we will write, let breadth of rectangle be x. So length of rectangle is x plus 10. 10 meter more means ज़्यादा, 10 मीटर ज़्यादा है breadth से लेंथ रेक्टेंगल की. सो अगर ब्रेथ की वैल्यू x है तो लेंथ की वैल्यू होगी x प्लस 10. क्वेश्चन से ही हमें सारी कंडीशन बनानी होगी, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में सारी कंडीशंस दी होती हैं. वी हैव टू फॉर्म इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दीज वेरिएबल्स एंड टर्म्स. ओके, लेंथ की वैल्यू है, अगर हमने x मानी है तो ब्रेथ की वैल्यू अगर x मानी है सो लेंथ की वैल्यू विल बी x प्लस 10. नाउ व्हाट इज द पैरामीटर फॉर्मूला? Parameter of rectangle is given by 2 length into breadth. Okay, now we will put the value of length as 2x plus 2, x plus 10, and breadth is x. We'll put these values here. Okay, and parameter of rectangle is already given, that is 80 meter. So 80 is we have written here. Now further we will solve this. Multiply 2 into 2 with this. Just open this bracket. 2 into x is 2x. See what happens, x plus x is equals to 2x. Okay, so x plus s is equals to 2x. So 2x will be x. 2 into 10 is 20. Okay, 80 is mentioned here. So what we will do, we will bring these two constants together. 80 minus 20 is equals to 60. 4x is entirely at one side. Now what we will do, 60 is equals to 4x, so divide by 4, 4 cancel. 60 divided by 4 is equals to 15. Okay, so breadth value will be 15 and length is 10 times 10 more, not times will be different. Times होता तो उसमें हम 10 को इंटू करते, ऐड नहीं करते. 10 more than breadth. अगर breadth 15 है तो लेंथ की वैल्यू क्या होगी? If breadth is 15, so length की वैल्यू will be 15 plus 10, that is 25 meter. This is breadth is 15 meter, length is 25 meter. Okay, so these are also two different questions that we have discussed here. So in next class we will study some different topic. So till then, bye bye, thank you.